Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by making a reliable, easy crust that requires minimal tools and about 10 minutes of hands-on time. Combine 1/4 cups flour, 1/2 teaspoons salt, and 8 tablespoons cold butter cut into small pieces in a bowl. Work quickly so the butter stays cold. Use a pastry cutter or 2 forks until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. Add 3 to 4 tablespoons ice water, 1 tablespoon at a time, until the dough holds together but is not sticky. Form into a disc, wrap, chill 30 minutes, then roll to a 10-inch circle and fit into a 9-inch pie pan. While the crust chills, prepare a straightforward filling that suits your time and ingredients. For fruit filling, toss 4 cups sliced fruit with 3/4 cup sugar and 2 tablespoons cornstarch to thicken. Add a pinch of salt and 1 tablespoon lemon juice to brighten flavor. For a simple custard, whisk 3 eggs, 1 cup milk, 1/2 cup sugar, and 1 teaspoon vanilla until smooth. Taste and adjust sweetness as needed. Once the crust is ready, pour the chosen filling into the prepared 9-inch crust, spreading it evenly and smoothing the top for even baking. Preheat the oven and use a consistent baking schedule to ensure a perfect pie. Bake at 375 degrees F for 40 to 50 minutes, or until a fruit filling bubbles and a custard sets with a slight jiggle in the center. The crust should be golden brown. Tent the edges with foil after 20 minutes to prevent overbrowning. Check doneness by inserting a knife into fruit filling to see clear juices or by a gentle jiggle for custard. Remove from oven and cool at least 2 hours for fruit pies or 1 hour for custard, before slicing so the filling sets and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.